Hello everyone, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. This video is designed to help you enhance your listening skills and comprehension abilities. Are you ready today? I want to discuss the journey of language learning. If you're watching this video, chances are you're currently engaged in learning English. Therefore, I hope this topic is of great interest to you. It's important to acknowledge that learning a language can be challenging, and it requires a significant investment of time dedicated to studying. The aspect of time is crucial when it comes to language learning. Without dedicating ample time to studying, it's difficult to make progress and acquire proficiency in English. Patience and persistence are key. As a language teacher, I also consider myself a language learner. I find great joy in learning different languages and engaging in conversations with people from various countries. This is one of the most rewarding aspects of acquiring another language, the ability to communicate with and make new friends from different cultures. I've had the opportunity to interact with individuals from diverse backgrounds, and it has enriched my language learning experience. Nevertheless, it's essential to recognize that language learning is not without its challenges. There are times when I feel frustrated or saddened by my inability to understand someone or express myself fluently. It's natural to experience such emotions when engaging with foreign languages, but it's important to embrace them. Making mistakes is an integral part of the language learning process. I often encounter grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation errors when speaking in other languages. However, making mistakes is normal and should not deter you. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. In fact, making mistakes is crucial for improvement. To enhance your skills and become more proficient, you must actively engage in conversations, practice regularly, and most importantly, have fun. Therefore, don't be overly concerned about making mistakes. Instead, enjoy the process of learning English. If you approach it with a sense of enjoyment, the learning journey becomes more rewarding. Now, let's explore some tips to make learning English an enjoyable experience. Tip number 1. Read books in English that align with your interests. Avoid reading dull and uninteresting books. Instead, find books that captivate your attention. For instance, if you're a sports enthusiast, read English books related to sports. If you have a fondness for animals, explore English literature about animals. Similarly, if technology intrigues you, delve into English books focusing on technology. Personally, I find joy in reading fiction books in various languages. This not only entertains me but also aids in my language learning. Tip number 2. Watch English videos that cater to your interests. If you have a passion for fashion and clothing, watch YouTube videos about fashion in English. If cars fascinate you, explore English videos centered around automobiles. It's crucial to consume content that aligns with your interests. Tip number 3. Foster friendships with English speakers and fellow English learners. Building connections may not be easy, but it greatly contributes to language learning and provides opportunities for practice. Seek out English practice groups in your local community or consider joining language exchange programs through platforms like meetup.com. Engaging in conversations with friends who speak English fluently or are also learning the language can significantly enhance your skills. That concludes our discussion for today. Please leave a comment and share your reasons for learning English. I look forward to our next video.